Good morning, Kipsters. Happy Thursday. We're continuing on and helping the superintendent. We have a new question that we need to help her with. We have a test coming up soon, so we want to make sure we have a clear understanding of how can we tell one sound from another. We are going to have to write to her and answering this question. So far, we've learned about amplitudes as well as wavelengths. And when we think amplitudes, we think volumes. And when we think wavelengths, we think pitches. And so volumes, as a reminder, is the going from quiet to loud or loud to quiet. As if you were in the car listening to the radio, you might want to turn the volume down to quiet, or you might want to turn the volume down, turn it up to loud. Thinking about wavelengths and thinking about the pitches, we think about high pitch and low pitch. And when we think low pitch, we think about a horn of some kind. And when we think about a high pitch, we think about a very high sounding whistle. And so I want to make the connection with the whistles with the dolphins. Don't forget, we are trying to figure out how is the calf able to know that his mother is calling as opposed to another dolphin call. And so we're going to need to start thinking in volumes and pitches, and we're going to need to start thinking um, about volumes and pitches and how the mother's dolphin's call sounds. What is the volume of the mother's dolphin call? What is the pitch of the mother dolphin's call? And so we're going to get into that a little later on in the chapter in our other lessons. I want to also go over our key vocabulary. We've learned what the definitions of amplitude, wavelength, and waveform are. Please take a quick look. When we think amplitude, we think about the height of the wave. When we think wavelength, we think about the distance of the peak of the wave. So the amplitude could be short, it could be tall. When we think about the wavelength, it could be sort of far apart, it could be shorter or longer. And again, we're thinking height here, from taller to shorter or longer to shorter. When we think about the waveform, that is simply this curved line that shows the pattern of a wave. Later today, you are going to be introduced to a new text. We're going to read some of the text together, and then you're going to be assigned some pages in the text so that you can answer some of the questions in your classwork. Make sure you are reading the text carefully. Make sure you are taking notes. In the next video, I will show you how to properly take notes as you're reading the text online, because it is very well possible. So you will see how that is done, because you want it to be pretty easy in answering the questions when you get to it. You don't want to get stuck. So we'll get to that a little later.